Next meal. Let's head in the kitchen with Chef Scott.
Welcome to the kitchens of Scott Community College. I'm Chef Brad Scott, and it's zucchini season. And you know, not everybody likes zucchini, but I'm gonna make a dish today that's gonna change your mind. Let's get started. I've got a little zucchini. I've got some Parmesan. I've got some salt, pepper, onion, breadcrumbs, a little Italian seasoning, mozzarella, and a little garlic. Now I've got a ½ pound of ground beef and a ½ pound of Italian sausage rendering down right now. To that, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of kosher salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, about a tablespoon of red onion, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, or oregano, either one, and finally, some Italian breadcrumbs, about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna mix this around, get it fully incorporated. Now, while that's finishing, let's get our zucchini ready. I'm gonna go around the circumference of this zucchini, all the way around, and then I'm gonna score the inside in little pieces, and I'm gonna scoop this right out. Start in the center and work your way to the left or work your way to the right. It's just easier that way. Now we're gonna hollow this out, and you can save the insides of this for zucchini bread. All right, now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of minced garlic and a teaspoon of Worcestershire, or 4 or 5 shakes, and about 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. And again, we're gonna incorporate this. All right, let's fill her up. So we're just gonna add the mixture right to the cavity of the zucchini. You know, I figure about 1 per person. You get about 4 ounces of product on the inside, and that's plenty. All righty. So I've got some fresh mozzarella, but any white cheese will do. And we're gonna go right over the top of this mixture here. About 3 or 4 pieces per zucchini. And we're ready for the oven. Now I like to cook this at 350 for about 20 minutes. This is just regular old store-bought spaghetti sauce, and I doctored it up with a little oregano, a little salt and pepper, and a little garlic. That's just my take on it. Let's check our zucchini. Oh yeah, perfect. Nice melted mozzarella. I figure about 2 of these for the big eater and 1 for the lighter eater. A little sauce over the top. About 2 ounces of sauce. Now this is a great way to make zucchini finally taste good. Zucchini Parmesan.